Welcome back to part 2 of our Cade plumbing series. Today we will be continuing to plumb the Cade 1200 reef. This will show you how well thought out the system is, and you will be able to easily plumb your system by the end of this video. This is a plumbing demonstration for a Cade 1200 reef, however this will work for all Cade reef and frag models. If you have any questions by the end of this video, please reach out to our customer support department at support@algaebarn.com or call us at 772-444-7637. The return line portion of the Cade is how the system provides water from the sump to the display tank. The return line features a check valve. Check valves are often overlooked but are an important piece of equipment. It prevents water from draining into the sump when the pump is turned off. Therefore, you can spot feed or conduct water changes effectively. To begin this process, remove the flow nozzle. The flow nozzle is adjustable and allows you to direct the flow of water back into the display. After you remove the nozzle from your return line, also remove one gasket from the threaded portion of your return line in a similar manner that was done for the overflows. Place the in-tank return line into the back chamber on the top right of your tank. Now, place the nozzle portion through the hole in the back glass of the Cade, located at the top right of the display. Thread the flow nozzle back onto the return. After this is complete, place a gasket on the bottom half of the return line, flush against the bottom of the display, similar to how we installed the overflows. Thread the return line bulkhead and connect the in-cabinet return line to this. A firm hand tightening is all that it takes to create a watertight seal, and you do not want to over-tighten since you may risk pinching the gasket. Next, we will attach the manifold. The manifold is the plumbing that allows the aquarius to move and control water easily. It also comes with 3 accessory ball valves, which allow you to control water easily to reactors and other types of equipment. With the return line manifold, push the side with the union through the top right hole in the plastic board, separating the sump from the cabinet. Make sure this union has an O-ring to create a watertight seal, then you can connect to the in-cabinet return line. Finally, every Cade comes with this piece of flex hose. This makes it easy to connect any return pump directly to the manifold and reduces vibration or noise.
This completes part 2 of our Cade plumbing series.
As you can see, once you know each part of the Cade, it is very simple to install and very user-friendly. We love to see our customers' tanks up and running, so once yours is ready, please send us media as we love to see these thriving tanks.